Houston heat can be tough to handle, especially during the summer. When we need to stay indoors in order to keep cool, it's important for our refrigerators to be in good condition so that they can do their job well. In this guide, we're going to discuss how you can keep your refrigerator cool during the summer heat, and what you should do if it's not cooling properly. The first step is to make sure that the temperature of your refrigerator is set below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This will help keep your food fresh and edible for a longer period of time. The second step is to make sure that you have a working ice maker in your freezer. This will help keep everything cold and fresh for longer periods of time as well. The third step is to make sure that there are no large items blocking the airflow from the back of the refrigerator to the front. Fourthly, the refrigerator door should close tightly if the gasket is not sealing, the door might not close properly. There are a lot of things that can go wrong with refrigerators if it is not working properly. You might find food spoiling, the refrigerator not cooling, or even a buildup of ice in the freezer. The most common issue is the buildup of ice in the freezer. This can be caused by a faulty defrost timer or humid air entering your freezer and freezing to form ice crystals. If you notice any of these problems, it's important to have them fixed as soon as possible to avoid more serious issues like food spoilage and health hazards.